Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show students from Holy Cross how they can access the practice test for the OSSLT that is available in our virtual learning environment. So what you want to do first is you want to start at our board website, scroll all the way down the bottom, choose VLE. At this point you'll be prompted to log in, and remember that if you're trying to log in from home, your login will be your student number at ldcsb.org and your password that you would use at school. Now obviously mine is a little different than that, so I'm going to quickly log in here. And this should take us to the course offerings that are available through D2L. There we go. Now yours might look slightly different here because you'll have different courses available to you, but the one we want to look at is this one, the OSSLT Holy Cross course. Just look for the mountains. And once you've clicked on that, you'll be taken to this page. Right. Now I want to point out a few things to you here. First of all, I'm going to view this as a student just so we make sure we're looking at the exact same thing here. Great. Okay, so a few things. First of all, we've added attachments for the latest versions of the practice tests available through the ministry. So you can look at these two here. Keep in mind, however, that these two versions, while they're great for practice and consultation, they are not available digitally in the course itself. These two, however, are. So if you click on either of these two, you'll get older tests, this one from 2010, I believe, right? And that actually directly connects to this content down here. So if we go to the practice tests for 2010 and 2009 are fully available here. And what's really great about this is the multiple choice sections of the test are actually self-evaluating. So once you've completed them, you should get instant feedback about how you did. You can do these as many times as you like and practice as much as you wish. We will be practicing in school as well, but for those of you who just want to get a leg up or feeling a little nervous or curious about what to expect on the test, you can use these resources to practice. Okay, best of luck, everybody.